Smarter Coffee second generation, created to seamlessly improve your daily routine. Smarter Coffee takes seconds to set up with BlinkUp's secure one-step process. Personalize your coffee strength, number of cups, and grind settings via the app, or manually on the LCD screen. Set alarms and prompts through the Smarter app like Wake Up and Home Mode. Smarter Coffee can now link to other smart devices in the home and choose and change your colour to suit your kitchen style. The Smarter Coffee second generation. Fresh coffee, ready anywhere, anytime.